Okay, so basically you're gonna have this. So you want this thing to be like super tight on here, so that's why you add the anti-slip ring. But for ages I was like, how do you get this circle to line up right here perfectly, you know? Okay, so here you're gonna grab the sticky side in, so it will go here. But I already did it, so I'm not gonna show you all the way, but basically you put it on the thing that you're gonna screw into this, like, so it's perfectly aligned, and then you just put it all the way in, you know, and I'm not gonna do it because there's already one there, but yeah, you just stick it on like that, and then bam, you got it. And then you can put this thing like fully on. It's very hard to, because it's very tight now with the anti-slip ring, which is good. I'm gonna have to, maybe the anti-slip ring is actually too much, because look, now it doesn't even go in. But if you need an extra slip, then you push this all the way in. Great. Good luck, everyone.